Hi guys, I'm down at my car cleaning today, showcasing a stand which you're already familiar with, the Gyeon stand, but I want to show you some new products we've got into stock now, okay? Now I'm going to start with, we've got Gyeon Wax here, and we've also got Gyeon Quick View. I'm going to come back to both of these to describe them a little bit, but we can see here we've got Ceramic Detailer, which is a ceramic booster if your car's already coated. We've got the Restart Wash, which is a decontamination shampoo. Iron Wheel Cleaner, which is obviously fantastic for your wheels. Followed by, we've got a tyre brush and a tyre applicator, okay? Now, I'm going to start on with the Gyeon Wax. Now, what you can see here, this is a wax for your car, of course. You put it onto the body, the panels. Now, in this kit, you've got the bottle of wax, which is fantastic product, like I say. You've got an applicator to haze the wax on with, then a microfiber to buff it off with as well. So everything you need if you want to wax your car is in this little box here, alright? Followed by that, we've also got the Gyeon Quick View, which is a rain repellent for your glass. Now this works really well and is really easy to apply. So you can see it comes in a little bottle here, okay? Now it's got a screw top. You simply screw the top off, and then you can see it's got a little pad on there to buff on to the glass, and that is, like I say, a rain repellent. Now both of these products, everything we've got, all new from Gyeon. They're amazing products. I'm sure you'll see them online. Come down and check them out and get them for yourself.